Welcome to our new episode. If you are looking to transform your regular bike into an electric powerhouse, you are in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the best e-bike conversion kits on the market. We'll cover everything you need to know, from installation to performance, to help you find the perfect kit for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we have the BAFANG mid-drive e-bike conversion kit. This kit offers a versatile and powerful solution for transforming your regular bike into an electric ride. With 500 watt, 750 watt and 1000 watt options, this kit is perfect for mountain bikes, tricycles and road bikes, catering to a wide range of cycling enthusiasts. The mid-drive design ensures balanced weight distribution, improving handling and stability. This placement also allows for better torque and efficiency, making it ideal for hill climbs and off-road adventures. The BAFANG conversion kit includes a robust motor, a high-capacity battery, and a user-friendly display, providing you with all the components needed for a seamless conversion. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions that make it accessible for both novices and experienced cyclists. The kit is designed to fit most bike frames, ensuring a smooth integration with your existing bike setup. The durable construction of the motor and other components guarantees long-lasting performance even under demanding conditions. The customizable power levels allow you to choose the right amount of assistance for your riding style, whether it's commuting, trail riding, or long-distance touring. This kit is competitively priced, offering excellent value for those seeking a high-quality electric conversion. Upgrade your cycling experience today and embrace the power of e-bikes. At number 2, we have the BAFANG 750W BBS02B mid-drive e-bike conversion kit. This kit is a powerful and versatile solution for converting your regular bike into a high-performance e-bike. With its 750W motor, this kit provides the perfect balance of power and efficiency, making it suitable for mountain bikes, tricycles, and road bikes alike. The mid-drive design ensures optimal weight distribution, improving stability and handling, especially on steep hills and rugged trails. The kit includes an LCD display allowing you to monitor speed, distance, battery level, and power mode, giving you full control over your riding experience. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions and a design that fits most bike frames. The kit offers flexibility with battery options, enabling you to choose the capacity that suits your needs. The durable construction of the motor and components ensures longevity and reliable performance even in challenging conditions. With a customizable pedal assist system, you can adjust the level of monitor assistance to match your riding style, from leisurely rides to intense workouts. This kit is competitively priced, providing excellent value for those looking to upgrade their biking experience. Transform your bike into an electric powerhouse today and enjoy the benefits of e-biking. Next up at number 3, we have the BAFANG 48V 500W rear hub e-bike conversion kit. This kit is a key to transforming a traditional bicycle into a sleek e-bike. With multiple wheel sizes available, this kit is suitable for a variety of bikes, from road and hybrid to mountain and commuter styles. Its 500W rear hub motor delivers reliable power for both city commutes and off-road adventures, providing a smooth and efficient ride. The kit includes an easy-to-read display, giving you real-time information on speed, distance and battery life, along with customizable pedal assist levels. The included pedal assist system sensor allows you to choose the level of assistance, enabling a more personalized riding experience. Constructed with durability in mind, the BAFANG rear hub motor is designed to withstand the vices of daily use and harsh riding conditions. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it accessible for riders with basic mechanical skills. This kit offers great value for those seeking a cost-effective way to convert their bike into an e-bike. With a competitive price and high-quality components, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cycling experience. Transform your ride today and experience the freedom of e-biking. The number 4 position is held by the CSCbike 36V by 48V MTB e-bike conversion kit. This kit is the ideal solution for turning your standard mountain bike into an efficient e-bike. This rear wheel conversion kit comes with everything you need to get started, including an LCD display, pedal assist system, brake lever, and speed throttle, providing a seamless and powerful upgrade. The high-torque rear wheel motor is available in both 36V and 48V options, offering flexibility to suit different riding styles and power needs. The robust construction ensures durability and longevity, while the simple installation process allows most bike enthusiasts to convert their bikes without professional assistance. The LCD display provides real-time information on speed, distance, battery life, and pedal assist levels, allowing you to customize your ride. The speed throttle gives you direct control over acceleration, while the PAS lets you choose the level of motor assistance, making it easy to switch between manual and electric power. With its high-quality components and reliable performance, this kit is designed to withstand the demands of off-road riding and city commutes alike. Competitively priced, this kit is an excellent value for those looking to embrace the e-bike revolution. Upgrade your mountain bike today and enjoy the benefits of electric power. The number 5 position is dominated by the 5000-watt peak-hub motor e-bike conversion kit. This kit is your ticket to transforming a standard bike into a high-powered e-bike. Featuring a robust 72-volt battery, this rear-wheel conversion kit delivers impressive power and acceleration, making it ideal for speed enthusiasts and off-road adventures. The 5000-watt peak hub motor provides exceptional torque, allowing you to tackle steep hills and challenging terrains with ease. The kit includes a comprehensive LCD display that shows speed, distance, battery level, and pedal assist settings, giving you full control over your ride. The adjustable pedal assist system allows you to customize the level of motor assistance, providing flexibility for both leisurely rides and high-speed commutes. Designed with durability in mind, this conversion kit uses high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. The motor is built to withstand heavy use, while the steady construction of the components ensures reliable functionality even in tough conditions. The rear wheel installation is straightforward with clear instructions, making it accessible for users with basic mechanical skills. The kit is competitively priced, offering excellent value for its power and features. Upgrade your bike today and experience the thrill of electric speed and power. Next up at number 6, we have transform your traditional bike into a high-powered e-bike with the Theebikemotor 3000-watt e-bike conversion kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to convert your bike into an electric powerhouse, featuring a powerful 3000-watt rear-wheel motor and a high-resolution LCD or TFT display for real-time feedback. The 3000-watt motor offers exceptional torque and acceleration, making it ideal for hill climbing and high-speed rides. The rear wheel installation provides balanced weight distribution, enhancing stability and handling. The motor is built with high-quality materials to ensure durability and reliability even under demanding riding conditions. The LCD or TFT display offers a range of useful information, including speed, distance, battery level, and pedal assist settings. This allows you to customize your ride, switching between manual and electric modes with ease. The pedal assist system offers multiple levels of assistance, giving you control over how much power you need. Designed for compatibility with various bike frames, this kit is straightforward to install with clear instructions provided. The rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the competitive price makes it an excellent value for those looking to upgrade to an e-bike. Thanks for watching our video on the best e-bike conversion kits. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect kit to transform your ride. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-bike tips and reviews. Got questions or kit recommendations? Share them in the comments below. Keep riding and we'll see you in the next video.